Hi students, how are you this morning? I hope you are fine. You are okay, you are awesome. Welcome back to one computer student. Especially today, yeah, we have project project and in WordPad and Paint. And what you have to do, typing in WordPad, following Paint about input devices. Okay, students, here I give a segment. Yeah, I give two options. If you have laptop or computer, make a list of input devices and output three devices and draw one device, one of the two part in. It means one device is the input device and one output devices. Uh, di sini kamu menggambar satu input device, satu output device. Dan yang kamu buat list di Word 5 input, 3 output. Okay, student, hope you understand about the project with computer or laptop. And if you don't have computer or laptop, I give you option with smartphone. You can use JS Paint. Yeah, JS Paint. Please click this link. JS Paint app. You can click this link to open Paint with Android. And here I give the video tutorial how to draw output device and input device use Android. Click this link. This is a video tutorial. After that, students, for the all students, send the file to my WhatsApp or email. Don't forget to save your file. Jangan lupa filenya disimpan dan send to my WhatsApp email juandra@gmail.com. And you must know this. I give you 1 week here. Line on Wednesday, 18 August. Okay, students, I continue. How to open? Can click Windows accessories, click WordPad. You can see this one, WordPad here. Or you can type WordPad in here. Windows search here. Somebody is search tab from taskbar. You can type here WordPad. The next, after you type that, after you open WordPad, you can see the window WordPad next one. You can type here 5 input device and 3 output devices. You can draw directly in Painting Pro. You must know this kit. When you open WordPad, you can type here 5 input devices and 3 output devices. After that, you can click this one. If you want to draw di WordPad ini, itu sudah bisa kamu langsung klik ini. If you want to draw, jika kamu ingin menggambar langsung. This is the result example. Ini contoh hasilnya. Sir Juan do in WordPad. After type click the example input device keyboard. I draw in Paint Jadi Sir langsung klik ini, langsung ke aplikasi Paint, draw. After that, secara otomatis drawing itu akan masuk ke WordPad. Continue kit computer mouse. I need only one, ya. Saya minta satu input device, satu output device gambarnya. But if you want to make more than one, it's okay. This is output device. I draw monitor. You can choose which one is the easy one. Kamu bisa pilih yang mana yang paling gampang untuk digambar. Because I only need one devices you want to draw. Ya, yang digambar itu cuma satu. And ya, I remind you again, if you want to draw more than one, it is okay. Setelah itu, please save your file by your name. Click file, and click here save it, and then save folder. Kamu pilih folder di mana kamu ya, kamu mau simpan di mana. Example, serjuan mau simpan di download, folder download. Ya, serjuan type file name-nya. Don't forget make type your name. Ini nama project, ini nama kamu gitu. And then click save. After that, don't forget it send to my WhatsApp. You can click here, type Mr. Juan, find Mr. Juan here. Before I explain, I want to. This is key. I want to explain this save by your name in anywhere. Yeah, this is already saved. And then send the file to Mr. Juan's. Every student send your file to my WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp web in this link. I hope every student have open your WhatsApp with your laptop computer. After that, yeah, this is you can click here and type here my name. Number 2, you click this one, click lamp and then choose this one document. If you can search your file. Just now search one save in download, yeah, click here and I have my name, yeah. And after you choose your select, pilih, click open. After that, don't forget to click this one to send your file to my WhatsApp. You already click this one. Okay, students, sir want to explain to you about the criteria project. Yeah, this is a project skill. Yeah, keterampilan, ya, keahlian kamu untuk memegang komputer atau menjalankan komputer. I give you 50%, and kreativitas 30%, and content you get. Okay, students, don't forget ya kid, I remind you again to finish your project. Deadline is on Wednesday, 18 August 2021. Okay, students, now I want to show you, yeah, we practice daily how to do your project with computer. Okay, just now we click start button and then we search Windows accessories if you want to open here again, and then we find Wattpad. Okay, Wattpad this one kid. Okay, I already have what, or we try from this ya kid, like was, yeah, sir, you want try from here, click here and type what. Okay, you can see this one, and then you can click Okay, we type input a devices. One, a keyboard. Two, computer mouse. Number three, web camera. Number four, uh, digital camera. Number five, uh, okay, next, output devices. Number one, speaker. Number two, monitor. Number three, printer. Students, you can make it color jacket. The example you can this example you want to make color and bold. You can change the text up to your kid. Uh, and also this one, if you want to change the type of letter and make it good as possible. That's your creativity ya kid. Kreativitas itu Juan akan din. And then I just now I make you draw one. Kamu gambar satu dari input satu, dari output satu, ya kid. And draw one of them. Each of them one. Masing dari mereka itu satu. But if you want to draw more than one, it's okay. Ya. Itu ada juga nilai. Just done the example. I the easy one ya. The easy one. Sir mau gambar yang paling gampang. Yeah, example, I want to make a computer mouse. I want to draw computer mouse. You can directly click this one. Yeah, you can directly click this. Ya, ya, ini paint ada, langsung paint. Kamu klik. Okay. Now you can make it bigger, ya. Yeah. And you can draw here. Example, just now I want to draw. Okay, then I choose this. Okay, and then I okay, and then I want to make this one. Okay, and then I want to make the cable. Example here from this is pen. Okay, students. This is the symbol, yeah. And then I want to make the color the example. This one. I want to make this one. Okay, student. I want to make the color blue. This one can. Okay, the students. Example. You already want to make this one. Okay, you can select. So with this one, kit. Ini kita kasihkan lagi. Okay, students. Coba now we minimize ya, kita kecil. Look at this kit. Otomatis kan kit ada di kan kit. Now we want to draw from example output. I choose monitor kit. I think this is easy one. Click again, paint drawing. Yeah, now we want to draw monitor. I think this is okay. Then draw here. Okay. Oh, I want to undo. Undo. Okay. And then I want to make the color. Okay. And then color this one. Oh, okay, students. And then don't forget to make it this small. Okay. We try ya kita minimize kan. Already kid. Jadi kita so easy ya kid. One input device, and this is one device. Monitor, I think that is one, and this is much computer. After that, don't forget to save file, save. Yeah, Serjuan want to save in download. Yeah, and then I make the name my project. But later you make your name ya kid, namanya di sini ya kid, and then don't forget save. Ingat ya kid, disimpan di download. Ketika nanti mau ngirim ke WhatsApp, kamu nggak sulit mencarinya. Ya, klik download and then file name-nya my project. Ini contoh ya kid, save. Okay, and then now we go to WhatsApp. Yeah, this is web WhatsApp. I already open, and then you search here. The example, yeah, kid, I want to send my project to my wife. It is here. Oh, and then I want to. After that, I choose this one, and then I click this one, tampilkan, and then choose this one. Okay, just now we save download ya kid, di download. Yeah, this is my project. You can see here my project. Click select ya atau di, and then open. Ready kid. After that you click this one. Wow, ready kid. Finish kid. In your project have finished. Jadi kalau udah begitu kid, artinya project kamu selesai kid. Okay students, I think enough my explanation about your project. I hope every student can do it as good as possible. Thank you kid. See you later.